Okay, see the card. Look at the card. Show it to everyone. See? Okay. Now, what's the name?
Vinita.
Vinita. Okay, Vinita. Before that, I have to tell you. Hold the card like this. Like this. Okay? And you can keep the card anywhere, but you just stop. Freeze. You just snap. Make a mental snap of this scene. This is where you have to go back in time. Okay? This is the mental snap you have to remember. The card is there, the fan of cards are there, right? Okay. Now you keep the card there. Right? You remember the card? Okay. The card is a magic. And we are going to find the card. Of course, we will find the card because I am a magician. I have to find the card. But then, before that, I have to show you something. There is a shuffle which we magicians use. Have you seen this kind of shuffle? No. This is a very difficult shuffle. This totally confuses me also. This is a shuffle. Because some of the cards will be like this, face up. Some of the cards will be face down. Some again some like that. Yeah, something like that. And let's say, for example, some card can be face to face. Anywhere, face to face, face up, everywhere. Right. So the cards are totally a mix up mess, basically. But you remember, I told you have to go back in time, right? This, by the way, 9 of spades is not your card, right? Okay, you just take the card between your finger like that, and you think this is the magic wand, and wave it over here like that. Okay, now that's it. And now watch the magic of the wand.
Hey, what the hell?
And one second. Now you remember the mental snapshot you had?
Yeah.
Where you were having a card like this and the fan of cards were like that, right? And you remember the card when that time you had in your hand? Yes, just turn.